Look what I found in this tree. There's a spider. Spider. Then after days she have an egg. Her egg here. Look. That's her egg. Few days ago. So her abdominal is going to small because he lay